Alright, this video, what's happened is, I got this BusBar from Amazon, and what I'm trying to do is hook the electric fence up in a way that it's modular. And so, normally what we've done in the past is just twisted wire together, and that's always a real big pain in the ass. So I got this BusBar from Amazon, and it just is going to allow me to put ring terminals on the end of the braided cable, and I'll be able to bring my ring terminals in and hook up here, and then I'll bring my line power in to this side. And this is just a BusBar that allows me to hook terminals up. So I'm going to use this, and I'll explain in another video. Basically, we have our power coming in overhead, our power for the electric fence. And I got this off of Amazon. I also got a little cover. It's a Blue Sea Systems, but they're just BusBars on Amazon. So I went to, and I'm sure I could have got this stuff off of Amazon, but I need it today. So I went to the local plumbing store, and they didn't have without spending a lot of money, like 20 to 30 to, if it was metal, $50 to put this in. So what I did is I bought a piece of PVC, and I'm going to mount this inside of here, and I'm going to make a removable cover. And so just to catch you guys up to speed, what I did is I used this part of a square, and you just set the tube on it, and you trace your, you can make a straight line across there. And then what I did is, you probably can't see it in the video, but these lines right here, I drew in how much I wanted left and how much was going to be the cap, and then that denoted where my side cuts were. And then I just used one of these, so get that out of the way. I used one of these hoops to trace my around the tube, and I made sure that my cap clears that. It's going to be, oh, that's closer than I thought.